So as you saw that we have just launched our new ATM here. This is our 1270th ATM at Lazarus Hospital, which is in the heart of the city of Hyderabad and Secunderabad. And also the CT scan, which is top of the line. I understand it's the fastest machine available in the world. And Lazarus Hospital has been supported by us as part of our MSME, financing. And we are very proud to be associated with this. This being the first green hospital, I understand, in India. They've got the golden green certification from the certifying authority. I think that's Leeds. And they have very good nephrology treatment here, as I find, and they've also focused on some other specialities like orthopedics and cancer and heart. So I wish them all success, and SBH, of course, is, as I said, is very proud to be associated with it, and we are fully committed to the development of the people and support all entrepreneurs who set up viable propositions. New ATMs, certainly about 100 ATMs we put up every year minimum, but as you are aware, it's a part of the SBI Group ATM, and there are about 25,000 plus already in the country. And any of our customers can use any SBI ATM without any problem. Of course, they can use other ATMs 5 times a month also. SBH has expanded a lot in Andhra Pradesh. We opened 100 rural branches last year and about in this state itself. And of course, urban and metro branches. This year again, we are planning to open 90 rural branches, rural semi-urban and urban branches also. And our presence here will be therefore much larger than earlier. More than 50% of our business comes from this state, and 2/3 of our branch network is in Andhra Pradesh. And most of these branches we have opened in coastal and Rayalaseema areas where we were less represented earlier. And of course, we've added our strength also in our traditional area, which is Telangana. New plans, we keep coming out with new products. We are currently, insurance, free insurance we are offering to our clients, and we are launching this from 1st of July. And every few months, there's something new or the other that we come out with, because we have the best technology platform and we customize our solutions to the requirements of the customers. As you know, we have all the alternate channels which are available, which is ATMs, then internet banking, mobile banking, and we were rated the most efficient big bank in India last year by Business Today and KPMG. We also got nominations in all 3 categories of being best bank, most fastest growing bank and most corporate social responsible bank by Business World and PwC. So we are expanding in all areas. Retail continues to be a focus, so is MSME along with corporate banking. Today we have about 1,330, roughly around that, because we are opening a branch every second day or something. I don't know the exact figure, but it's about 1,330. Technology, we already have all the technologies that are, banks are using. So every product is available with us as on date. There is nothing that we cannot offer our clients which is based on technology.